So we're going to sketch the graph for the equation y equals 3x take 5. Now I know straight away that this is in the slope or y-intercept form of the equation. So I can read off that the 3 or the positive 3 is the slope or gradient, and the negative 5, we have to take the sign that's in front, is the y-intercept. So just by looking at the equation I can identify one point to plot, and that would be 0, negative 5, because the y-intercept is when x is 0 and y is negative 5. I can then look at the slope and see that the slope, remember, m equals rise over run, and in this case it equals 3. Now I could rewrite that as equals 3 over 1, because 3 divided by 1 still equals 3, but now I actually have my rise and my run. So let's give it a go. 1, 2, 3, I've risen 3 and I've run 1, making sure you're reading the axes on the graph correctly. So I actually now have 2 points, and I can finish off my sketch. Remembering, always put arrows at the end and make sure you label the line. The other way you could do it, if you wanted to choose another point, is to what you're used to doing, which is substituting values into the equation. So you could go, alright, I've got 1 point here. Now I want to go when x equals 1, y equals 3 times 1 take 5, which equals 3 take 5, which is negative 2. So therefore the point to plot would be x is 1, y is negative 2. And you can see here, 1, negative 2, that's what we found even with the gradient. So there's 2 different ways to get the second point on your graph, and you can put the first point straight away, and remembering that if you've got 2 points and you know it's a linear equation, you can plot that line.